To connect two or more elements or items, and also, and then there's, and more. She brought chips and also dip for the party. We can visit the museum and then go for lunch. To express addition or combination, and together and in addition. And finally, we will need to buy apples, and together we will make the pie. The committee will meet in addition to the regular sessions. To join two equal ideas or concepts, for and from and with. He will leave and from there, he'll go straight home. I'll have coffee and with some milk, please. To link two similar or parallel actions and doing and working and helping. She's studying and working at the same time. They are and helping others in the community. To indicate a sequence or progression, and then an after and once. First, we'll meet, and then we'll have lunch. You can start the presentation, and after we'll take questions. To show a conditional relationship and if and when, and as, you can go and if you finish your homework. She'll call you, and when she gets home, she'll confirm. To emphasize a result or conclusion, and so and therefore, and thus he wasn't feeling well, and so he stayed home. The weather was bad, and therefore the event was canceled. Common collocations with and then, and now, and still, and often, we can meet and then we'll decide where to eat. He is an artist, and now he teaches at the university. She's studying hard and still finds time for her hobbies.